So hi everyone. So today we are going to see about what is decision tree. So we have seen in last class itself what are the types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Right. So under supervised we have a decision tree. So decision tree is a type of techniques which have uh, create a model into best decision among them, right? So it has some several types, that is nodes which have leaf node, root node, and splitting technique. Splitting means it will split the data sets, a large number of data sets into smaller ones based on the features and parameters, right? So give me the short note of decision tree with the example. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with decision tree. Decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm which is used for classification and regression. It predicts the outcome by the decision rule from training the data and represent them in a tree-like section. The main objective of this is to split into a data into a multiple subset where the multiple subset provides an similar outcomes.
Let's understand the structure of decision tree: root node, branches, leaf node, and decision node. Root node means entire data set and first split. Decision node, intermediate splitting node and path point. Branches, outcome of condition. Leaf node, output of the data set.
So let us see what is the working of the decision tree. So basically, we give a data set. The data set is split into small subset. That subset were recursively split based on the what features we give, what are the inputs that we give. By giving that input, it will create a group of data which is based on the features. So by working, it has two methods. Entropy is nothing but it it measures the what impurity of the data that we have given. It determines degree of the what are the randomness and the impurity. If entropy is 0, that it has a data set as pure data set. There is no randomness and there is no impurity. It is pure data. If this entropy is higher, that the data is evenly distributed to the subsets, and the entropy formula is equal to minus summation of pi log 2 pi. So if the entropy is lower, the data set is better. If entropy is higher, it has a weak data set. And there is another one, information gain. Information gain is nothing but we determine information gain as what are the uncertainty reduced. That is formula of entropy parent minus entropy children. It used to calculate the difference between parents and children, what are the subset were splitted. It undercomes that feature selection like splitting. By based on the feature that the data set have, it will be splitted according to that.
So now let's take an example. Age, income, and product buying chances. So let's take 3 different ages: young, middle, and old age. Let's have their income as the young have the income as high one. The middle have the income also as in high one. The old has their income as a low one. So now we are going to give this as a data set to an machine. So now we are going to train the machine. Taking the young, it's going to analyze young, high. So the young persons having the high salary have less chances to buy a product. So it's go for next one. Middle with a high income, definitely they are going to buy the product. So the machine will analyze that data set and give the output for that accordingly. So when we are going for the old one with the low income, they are also going to buy the particular product according to their wishes. So let's see the decision tree for this income. So the root node is going to be age, because we are taking the age as the main thing. I'm going to divide that into a 3 type or a 2 type. First we are going to divide it into young and middle and old. So the young, middle and old is going to be a decision node, as Sanjay said. Next we are going to divide that young into two types, income high, income low, and next it's going to be no yes. Next in the right side, the middle is going to be yes. So this is going to be the example of the thing.
So let us look the advantages of decision tree. When it comes to advantages, it is easy to understand, like when it compared to other algorithms, handles all the type of data, less pre-processing, fast prediction. When it comes to disadvantages, it has overfitting problem, sensitive to other data changes, then complex for the large data. So to conclude, decision tree predicts by splitting data, all the branches has its data sets. It starts from root node to leaf node. It is widely used due to simplicity, interpretability, and effectiveness in the supervised learning.
So main thing is it will create the tree-like structures based on the data sets that we have given. So it will create a tree-like structure among root node, leaf node, and by using splitting and by using entropy method, it will predict the overall outcome. Right? So did you all understand about that?
Yes.
Thank you.